So in this video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Vizia, Vizia.co. It is a website where you can take YouTube videos, and to it you can add different question prompts. With those question prompts, which could be quizzes, polls, responses, you can then have your audience, whether it's students or adults, watch the video and give you back feedback. So I'm going to show you how to put one of these together. First thing I'm going to do is log into this resource. You can see you can make your own account. In this case, I'm going to sign in using my existing Google account. The first prompt it gives you is to make a new video. So you need a URL from a YouTube video, an existing YouTube video, to add your content to. So I've already done in YouTube a search for student perseverance. I will pick this video. And then what I'm going to do is I'll copy that URL and paste it in here. And click on continue. Okay, so this is going to compile the video here. Once compiled, I can play the video right in this window. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to mute the video for now in case it accidentally plays while I'm working with it. So as you watch through the video, you can add in these 4 types of questions. You can add a quiz or a poll. Both are very similar. They give you a prompt and ask you to answer questions. It will give you a response. That'd be a short response, a couple sentences or a paragraph, or a call to action. A call to action would be something that participants could click on that would link to another web resource. So another website where they may need to do some reading and some research, a link to a Google document, wherever they need to go to. So I'm going to quickly add in a couple of these options. So I'll put a poll into this one. So you start with a question. And whatever the responses are, you can see there's only 4 options for a poll. Same thing for the quiz. There's only 4 options. Okay, I will add in a quiz here. The only difference with the quiz is that you can see where you can put in whatever the correct answer is. You could click on it. We'll add a response. The response would be the open-ended question. So whatever the question prompt is, they would be answering to. And then my call to action, I'll add one of those. Okay, whatever it would be the prompt, like description of the website, what they want them to click on, and then whatever the wherever you want them to go. So in this case, I'll have them go to just to YouTube, but it could be a specific video, again, a document, so on and so forth. Okay, so I added in my poll, my response, my call to action. I will go ahead and I quickly add in a quiz to. Really very close to a poll. Okay, and save it. So once that's done, you have a couple of other options. The first option you have is whether or not you want the video to be anonymous. You can see here as gate video. So if this is slid off, then everything is going to be anonymous. If you slide it on, it's going to ask you for a name and an email address. The email address does not need to be a real one. So if you have kids that do not have email, they could just put in something fake. So that's one thing you need to set up. Okay. The other thing you need to do is to share this link. So this is what people will need to click on in order to answer the quiz. So I'm going to copy that link. I'll just paste it here in another tab. You can see here is my preview. So it's going to ask me for my name and my email. Again, I don't need a real email address. I can then play through my video. I'm going to mute it again just so it's not playing in the background. Whenever it comes to one of the questions, you can see it stops. I have my options, and I can continue. So let me just kind of fast forward it a bit. Right, it gives me whatever my typing is. You can see I have an option to skip these. And this would give me a click that would take me to YouTube. And another tab. And there's my quiz. Okay. So after I do that, in a few moments, I just refresh it, you can see it tells me how many responses I have. So if I want to look at my results, I have two options. I can download a separate file, which I'll do. I'll download that and open it. In this case, it's going to open it up into a spreadsheet. You can see here where it would give me my answers. So that's a good way if you want to sort your answers, take a look at them, figure out who does or does not need help, like if you're using this for some formative assessment. You can also open it in a Google Sheet connected to this Google account I signed in with. Okay, you can see the same type of thing. Answers there. I can always go to my videos after I've made one. It'll list them here. So if I make it one day and need to go back to it, maybe add some more questions. And you can see you can delete the video if you're done with it, and it'll bring you back to your original prompt to add a new video. The thing to realize, if I delete the video, it's gone. There's no seatbelt alert saying, do you really want to do this? It's gone, gone, gone. So hopefully this is a resource that you find you can use.